The essence of countryside cottage decor lies in its simplicity and connection to nature. It's about creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and timeless. Whether you live in a cottage or want to bring that vibe into your city home, these tips will help you achieve the perfect look. Before we dive into our exploration, let us first give a warm welcome to those who are joining us again at Magic Home. We also invite you to subscribe for more engrossing insights into interior design inspiration for your house. In today's video, we're diving into the charming world of countryside cottage decoration. If you're looking to bring that cozy, rustic feel into your home, stay tuned for some inspiring ideas. Your garden or patio can be an extension of your cozy interior. Use weathered furniture, like a wooden bench or wrought iron chairs, and accessorize with soft cushions and throws. Create a quaint dining area with a rustic table and string lights for evening gatherings. Plant flowers, herbs, and even vegetables to enhance the natural feel. A birdhouse or a vintage watering can adds a charming touch. In the living room, opt for natural materials like wood and stone. Think exposed beams, wooden floors, and a stone fireplace. Add soft, oversized furniture with slip covers in neutral tones. Layer different textures such as wool throws, linen cushions, and a plush rug to create a cozy ambiance. Don't forget to include vintage pieces and family heirlooms to add character and history to the room. The kitchen is the soul of a countryside cottage. Open shelving is a must, showcasing your beautiful dishware and rustic accessories. Use a farmhouse sink and consider a wooden countertop or butcher block. For a truly authentic look, incorporate a classic Aga stove if you can. Add charm with patterned curtains, a wooden dining table, and mix and match chairs. Fresh flowers and herbs on the windowsill will bring in that natural touch.